So hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay, Pediatric Dentist, Director and Professor in College of Dental Sciences. So now dear students, the Rajasthan University has given the news regarding the RPSC examination. And one small thing before that, many students are asking me, sir, whether RPSC exam is different or it is a RUHS exam. Dear student, whenever the government exam is conducted in any state, it is known as PSC examination. There is a Rajasthan RPSC, UP PSC, Gujarat GPSC. So it's a RPSC examination. So now the university has told that what is the exam is going to be conducted for the 172 post is going to get postponed. The reason they have not mentioned, they have told it is because of some unavoidable reason. So you have to keep on visiting the website for the update. So now dear students, you can use this little delay as a boon for your preparation, because for the government exam the time period is very short, 2 to 3 months for the preparation. Now the slight delay is that, so please dear students, use this time in your preparation and go for the proper workout. Many of you asking me regarding the courses available for the PSC examination. Yes, we have the lecture series which you can access anytime, anywhere on our app. We have a test series, we have past papers, everything we provide to our dear students. So if anybody want to join, you can let me know. But my sincere request to all my dear students that please don't waste your time. Now they have delayed the examination, so it is not like that the delay will be very much. They can bombard you anytime with the date. So please, whatever you preparation are doing, keep on doing. Those who have not started, try to start in the proper way. If any doubt is there, my dear students, my information is there in the description box. You can let me know.